How to check iPhone original or fake with serial number. In this video, I'll show you how to check your iPhone using its serial number in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Method 1. Find your iPhone's serial number. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap General, then select About. Scroll down until you see the serial number. Press and hold it, then tap Copy. Method 2. Check the serial number on Apple's website. Now, open any web browser or Google app and go to Apple's official check coverage page. Paste your serial number into the box, enter the verification code, and tap Continue or Submit. If Apple recognizes the serial number and displays your iPhone model, warranty information, or coverage details, your iPhone is a genuine Apple device. And that's it. That's how you can check whether your iPhone is real or fake using its serial number. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tutorials.